Hi, it's Lisa Quam, Membership Development Manager for the Middleton Chamber, showing you how to make updates to your chamber web directory. So the first thing that you're going to do is go to middletonchamber.com, and under the membership tab on the top of the page, you're going to go to member login. If you happen to have forgotten your login, you can reset it here. If you have any trouble, please email me at the Middleton Chamber at lisa@middletonchamber.com. And then once you log in, you will come to a screen that looks like this. And so you can see here that you can add personal information as well as company information. As a member, you can also add anything here that you would like to. So if you want to introduce yourself as a new member, if you're a member that might be hiring or looking to connect with a different member, feel free to post information in here as often as you would like to. So first up, we're going to talk about how to add any personal information. So, if you're somebody who runs your own business by yourself, it's a great way to just add some additional information about yourself. As well as if you work for a larger organization, like perhaps a bank, if you wanted to add, individual profiles or photos for certain employees, you're able to come in here and do that. So, basically you're just going to want to make sure that their job title is in here as well as their name, contact info, address, and, any alternate phone numbers or ways of contacting them. And then you can also add a personal bio here. So for this purpose, I just typed in a little bit of information about me. And then anytime you do this, you're going to want to go ahead and save those changes. You can also make sure that, everybody that you are maybe adding information on is signed up for our weekly update newsletter through the group's interest. And then you can also add any personal social networks for that individual employee. So this is not where you're going to put company LinkedIn. This is where you're going to put personal LinkedIn information. And then one thing a lot of people forget or don't actually know is you do have to go into these display preferences and put a checkbox next to everything that you would like to be displayed on the member web directory. If you don't choose anything here, nothing is going to show up. So that's how you go ahead and add that personal information for yourself or for others in your company. And so now we're going to talk web directory. So we're going to go into your company information here. And again, just make sure that everything here is correct. This is the information that's going to show up on your chamber web directory. Um, and so, you'll want to save any changes if you made any out here. And then in terms of employees, I do have another video that shows how to add new employees and reps. And then we're going to go to the website information. So this is where it's normally checked here to use the organization information, which is why you want to make sure that that is correct as well. And so then when you come out here, you're just going to want to make sure that everything is correct. And this is where if you had a company Facebook page, you would add that here. Uh, and then you can also add a web description and text content. I don't recommend adding hours of operation if you're an organization that might change your hours regularly. And plus, in the age of Google, people are going to traditionally look you up to find that information out anyway. And then your keywords are what is actually going to drive people to your chamber web directory. So once you add all that information, you're going to want to save the changes. And then to view your web directory, you can actually click this preview web page here, and it's going to take you to that web directory. Here is where I added that personal bio about myself. And it just shows here on the web directory when I clicked on that. So again, if you have any questions about making changes or updates to your web directory, don't hesitate to reach out. I'm always happy to share any information that you might need. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.